vast ocean, lived a small and timid turtle named Toby. Toby was known for his cautious nature, always preferring the safety of his shell over venturing into the unknown. While his friends swam and played in the open waters, Toby stayed close to the coral reef, afraid of the vastness beyond. One sunny day, news spread through the underwater community about a large net that had been cast by humans. The net was drifting dangerously close to their home, trapping sea creatures in its suffocating embrace. Fear and panic gripped the underwater inhabitants, and Toby's heart pounded with anxiety. As the net drew nearer, Toby's friend, Marina the dolphin, approached him. "Toby, we need to help our friends caught in that net," Marina said with determination. Toby hesitated, his shell feeling heavier than ever. "But Marina, it's dangerous out there. What if we get caught too?" Marina looked into Toby's eyes and said, "Toby, sometimes we must be brave, especially when others need us. Together, we can make a difference." With Marina's words echoing in his mind, Toby summoned his courage. He took a deep breath, and with his newfound bravery, he followed Marina as they swam towards the net. The scene before them was heart-wrenching. Sea creatures of all shapes and sizes were trapped, struggling to break free. Toby's heart ached as he saw his friends in distress. With every tug and pull, they managed to free a few of the trapped creatures, guiding them to safety. As they worked tirelessly, the net's ropes wrapped around Toby's fin, causing him to panic. But instead of retreating into his shell, he pushed forward. He called for Marina's help, and together they unraveled the net from his fin. In that moment, Toby realized that being brave didn't mean being without fear. It meant facing your fears for the greater good. The sun was setting by the time they managed to free the last trapped creature. The sea creatures celebrated their newfound freedom, and Toby was hailed as a hero. Toby had transformed from a timid turtle into the brave little turtle who saved the day. From that day forward, Toby's shell felt lighter, and his heart swam with a newfound confidence.
Moral of the story: true bravery is not the absence of fear, but the ability to overcome it when others are in need.
Thanks for watching, friends. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.